What is everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, probably since Mustang Week actually, but now you join us in Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg, Tennessee for the Slammedenuff show. Me, Teddy, Mitchell, and Colby came out here for the weekend and we're just kind of hanging out. It's primarily a JDM-esque car show with slam cars and stuff, but there's a decent little amount of Coyotes and Mustangs and stuff out here, so primarily this is the kind of stuff you see out here. All the Nissans and then the BRZs, FRSs, and then some other European cars. But we brought the Coyotes out here. We're gonna cruise around, take some photos today. Right now, we're getting the cars washed. They're washing Teddy's car right now. And then I'll probably run over mine real quick. I've already sprayed it off, did the wheels and stuff, just to do the actual body. And then Colby's got his truck. We took the truck out last night and they were all riding in the bed. I was driving the truck. They had a bullhorn and all this other stuff, and we were just causing trouble. This is the house, nice little small crib here. Honestly, it was $1,000 for half the week we were here, from like Wednesday to Sunday. That's not terrible. And look at all these little houses in this little community. Pretty cool. We got a couple car houses here. There's another house right there with a bunch of Mustangs, S550s. They all look pretty cool. But yeah, let me go ahead and do this wash real quick, then I'll pick this up. All right, so I just went around and soaped the whole car while Mitchell went around with the little hose and rinsed it. Teddy's just dried off his, so now I'm about to dry off mine. What the hell is this? There's some doo-doo on the hood vent. There you go, gone. All right, you want to spray this before I put it back in the bucket?
Yeah, here, I'll put it on.
All right, we got the cars out here. These two are washed. Once Colby gets back with Mitchell's car, they're gonna do his. Look at this hose setup. So we got the hose running through the whole house because the hose spigot is in the back of the house by the hot tub for some reason. So you could come all the way through the house to then get to the thing right here. Like, that's wild, but pretty nice out here. Got a nice little creek out here, and there's your little side street right there, one of the main roads. Not too bad. We'll catch y'all here in a second. I know we're gonna go do some photos, so I don't know where. We obviously don't. We know some of the spots around here. We're gonna go check them out and see what's popping. All right, guys, so we're out on the Parkway type thing, little road to go drive on. I completely forgot to film it. We just filmed a bunch of like clips and stuff for Instagram, cinematic videos, rollers, stuff like that. We're doing rollers up and down this mountainside drive. Forgot to film that part of it, but yeah, we're out here filming. They're doing, I don't know if you can see way up there, they're side by side doing rolling shots and videos and stuff. I already did my turn up in the front, so now I'm in the back of the group. Just kind of watching out, well, not watching out for anything, but just making sure that I'm not too close to being blocking the shots and stuff. But yeah, it's 4:55, so 5 p.m. We're out here just cruising in the hills and having a blast. Colby's driving. We got Mitch on the camera right now, and we got taking photos of his car with Teddy driving. We already did a bunch of rollers of me and Ted's cars, so now we're turning the favor for Mitch. We're over top of Gatlinburg right now. We got Teddy driving Mitch's car, Mitch on the camera. Here's one of the other lookout spots that everybody and their mother is at right now in the car. get in, but no pictures for sure. All right, we just dropped the cars off at this like pre-meet style area, and we're heading to grab a little bit of food, and then we're gonna come back, check it out. Teddy's got the video rolling with the CPL. Mitch is getting some footage. Gang, what is up? We are back. It is currently midnight, and we're actually about to go back out and do nighttime photos at some various spots around town. So we went and ate after you just saw us parking our cars at that meet. We went to eat at this place called Timberwood Grills at the Islands in Pigeon Forge. Amazing food, great burgers, great people. It was pretty good. Can't complain. You know I like my food. Can't complain. But and then we went back to the meet, hung out, walked around for a little bit, and then the cops showed up. And the cops ended up kicking us out. So we did have to leave. And then we kind of just drove around for a little bit, ended up back here. Didn't really film that, but we are back. We're about to go take some photos. And then just peek in the house a little bit, you know, make sure no one's here. And then look at what these guys have been up to, okay? These fat asses have been crushing pizza for the last day and a half. That's still full. These two are still full. They ordered 4 tonight, 4 yesterday. These are all empty. They literally have been absolutely demolishing these pizzas, and they be looking like the Ninja Turtles out here right now. It's crazy. They keep eating pizza all throughout the day, and I'm like, bro, I just can't. I have to have something different other than pizza. I gotta be in the mood for pizza. We are in Gatlinburg, walking around. About to go up there. Hey, yo, we're on the chairlift. Fuck you.
Oh, yeah, bro.
Shut up. Why don't y'all kiss?
Brandon keeps making it shake.
Hey, look, you're on my YouTube video.
Hey, why is she in between the pole, bro? She likes to be in between things. I can tell. Fucking weirdo.
Hey, yo. We are going all the way to the top and then on that bridge.
What are you doing back there?
Whose car is that?
Say that shit. I ain't looking back. I saw it.
I'm gonna jump on you like a spider monkey.
Whoa!
Yeah, it's not even glasses. You can't even see through that. You can see through. Come on, man.
Go on. Come on.
Okay. Y'all, look. Oh shit.
Push your handles to go fast. The bears are coming.
Nose on the track.
All right, here we go for I guess the last hill.
Hey, you made it to the top. Push your handles forward and we'll see you at the bottom.
See ya. Woo! Woo! Hey, Dylan.
Time to go home. Week is over. I'm gonna try and throw a couple clips in before this point of some of the stuff that we've done. It'll all be in vertical mode, unfortunately, because I didn't get any horizontal video doing stuff. But hey, you'll still be able to see some of this cool stuff we did. But yeah, we are ready to roll out. Check this out. We found a spot on top of the mountain to do some photos. Mitch is taking photos of Teddy's car, and then my car. Look at this up here. This is crazy. Look at some of the houses out here. Look at some of these houses up in this fucking hillside. This is crazy. There's definitely some mansions out here. We got the cars and the views. Wicked. Got a little shack right here. Someone was drinking my favorite drink, Baja Blast, and just left it here. How dare they disrespect the dew? That's wicked. But yeah, this is cool. Next thing, well, everyone's been drinking here because they all have just been tossing their stuff off. There's cans left and right in the woods. But maybe Yogi will come out and just say hello real quick so I can videotape a bear. We did hear a bear and a coyote last night playing with each other. By playing, I think the bear might have messed up the coyote. But we were on the front porch and we heard a coyote howling and then a coyote crying. And then we saw orange eyes in the woods. And that's a bear. Those are bear eyes at night. They're glowing fiery orange or red. So we are back home now. The last thing you saw was me 15,000 feet on top of a mountain. But we're back home now. Sorry for the lack of content. I put a couple clips throughout the video. Well, so I put some clips in the video vertical style of just stuff I filmed on my phone, Snapchat, just hanging out with everybody. Filming, I kept wanting to film, but kept filming vertically and not remembering to film sideways, and I wasn't really vlog styling everything. But apologize for the lack of videos recently. I've been wanting to film, been trying to post as much as I can, but coming up with ideas and stuff to film now has been kind of tricky. Winter's coming, so it's going to get cold. I've done everything in my car as of now that I can do, and I've got some other stuff coming, just waiting on it to arrive. But I've got trips planned coming up over the next couple months. Let me know if you like this travel-esque style video, because I love traveling and filming like travel stuff, but I never post it because I don't feel like anybody wants to watch it. But if you want to watch the travel stuff, let me know, and I'll be happy to post some of that. But make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see y'all later. Peace out. Y'all have a good one. Bye-bye.